Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about home decor trends that you need to avoid. If you keep adding home decor picks and shifting items around only to feel like nothing is working, it could be that you're actually tapping into some trends that have simply had their moment. When we are looking to renovate a space, it can be really easy to get carried away by one particular theme or letting your heart rule your head. Calling on the services of an interior designer means that you can be gently steered in the right direction, potentially avoiding having to redecorate sooner than you've planned. Beautiful but uncomfortable home decor trends that don't work in real life are impractical. From vintage bathtubs to open wall units, through long curtains and chalkboard paint. When we see home furnishing trends photographed on blogs and magazines, they seem like an excellent idea to copy right away. But translating into real life, that is your home and everyday life, these ideas just don't work. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Headless beds is a trend that you should avoid. Low-slung, aggressively minimalist platform bed frames without headboards are ruining bedrooms all across the country. In addition to looking like unmoored life rafts that are floating between a pair of nightstands, these regrettable platform beds make it nearly impossible to read in bed, making your experience extremely uncomfortable. Another home decor trend to avoid is repeating patterns. Wallpaper is still having its moment, so don't panic if you just finished hanging fresh paper in your home. However, if you're just starting to warm up to wallpaper, another option would be a wall mural, which features one large image or a series of images that don't repeat. Wall murals are sized for your space and wall dimensions, and because the images are much larger in scale than those in repeating pattern wallpaper, a mural creates that custom impression. Look out for industrial details when it comes to home decor trends that need to be avoided. For a few years, the love of industrial decor rivaled the boom of industrialization, or so it seemed. Repurposing machinery, tool shop shelving, exposed plumbing, heating, and brick were all top choices. Now that's giving way to a general ambience of cozy, homey warmth. Think warm woods instead of cold metals, colors borrowed from nature rather than machines, and softening angles and edges with plants. When it comes to home decor, corner pantries need to be avoided. Corner pantries have been a hit with some kitchen designers and builders, but they don't always translate to cohesive design or flow. Plus, the door may be mistaken for an awkwardly placed powder room door. Instead, designate a full-height pull-out cabinet with shelving or organizers, or a full closet for your pantry staples. Another home decor trend that needs to be avoided is mid-century lines. This design was truly all the rage and the trend was long-lasting. It's important to note that its angular geometric designs, especially when paired in a true mid-century modern home, are classic. But the trend of mid-century is fading as we turn toward feelings of comfort and serenity. One example, furniture shapes will be soft and curvy to accommodate comfort instead of box sofas. Open concept living is a home decor trend that needs to be avoided. Open concept floor plans seem to make a lot of sense when they arrived on the scene, especially for those who often entertain. But open concept floor plans can be tricky to furnish, disorganized and noisy. As lifestyles shifted over the last few years, many people are now yearning for a private office, separate entertaining areas, or a quiet den away from the den. It's time to say goodbye to that vessel sink. A vessel sink is a raised basin or sink bowl that requires a particular faucet to accommodate the taller sink form. Although this type of sink is unique and adds drama to any vanity, there are a few setbacks. They require dual cleaning and a tall faucet that usually splashes more water out of the sink than inside. Although this trend has its own downfalls, we can make exceptions. Using a vessel sink bowl in a much low-maintenance bathroom, like a powder room that does not see much traffic other than washing hands, is a good compromise to end this trend trap. This is it for this video. If you liked the video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.